This is the R12. It's a beautiful introductory smart ring that handles the basic stuff you need, like heart rate, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time, and your step count, calories, distance traveled for each day. It's a really beautiful, lightweight smart ring, and it tethers to an app that gives you information of all of your activities. With this particular physical recovery that goes over a single score for your day that's composed of your sleep information, your activity and workout information for the day, an input on your heart rate and your blood oxygen, with guidance and proposals on each of those areas. If you want to just simply slip something on, wear it, check every day to see how you're doing, and adjust accordingly. An inexpensive ring like this could be just the thing you're looking for. It's called the R12. Check it out.